Like 24 hours with the trays in have been from 1 to 10. The pain is at...
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're unboxing Smile Direct aligners.
This is our house, you can do what you're about. The neighbors always pout when it's time to play house in my playhouse.
If you have not seen my previous Smile Direct video of me unboxing the impression kit and using the impression kit, do check that out. The link is in the description box. So exciting day. I have received my aligners and everything else that comes in the kit, just showing you exactly what's in here. Right here in the pocket you have some information concerning your aligners, etc. A little note there to tell you welcome, welcome, welcome. And then you have some whitening pens here which came with the aligners. Some lip balm, vanilla lip balm by Smile Direct, lovely. Also your case for your trays. Next, I also found some chewy tray seaters. This is basically to help you get your trays into your mouth because they will be a little difficult at first. And then you have some cute little quotes here, and then an aligner remover thingamabob. This is what the quote says by Maya Angelou. Cute. Then underneath, once you lift the box up, there's a smile stretcher in there, an extra one, because they do give you one with your impression kit. And that is it, you guys. And for the part that we have been waiting for, where are the aligners? Yeah, I was nervous right here, y'all. I'm just showing you, once you pull that little drawer out, you can see your aligners, but they tell you only take one out at a time, so that's what the slot here is for. So cute how they actually like design this. One aligner at a time. Yeah. So that's my month 1, week 1 aligners that I pulled out. It has your name on it and also your doctor's name. Cute.
I have my liners on. It's crazy, y'all. Like, they're not hurting at the moment. My lisp is not as bad as I thought it would be. So this is what my chewy looks like. My front went on perfect. So it helps your aligners to, you know, actually fit and go on. So I really had to use my chewies for my bottom teeth, but these fit so perfectly. Like, I don't have an issue at all right now. You do have to go on the website on your phone or computer and let them know when you've actually started your aligners. So if you're logged in, it will automatically come up on the screen and say dates. They're going to ask you the date you started. It'll tell you when the next time you should switch out for your next trays. So some questions about shipping, I'm pretty sure you guys actually have. So April 3rd, I ordered my impression kit, which is the mold you make from home, or you could go to a nearby office, a Smile Direct office, and get a 3D scan. Smile Direct also had a bus that took a tour around the United States, and you could go to the nearest bus and have your 3D scan done for free. On April 5th, I received the impression kit, shipped it off the same day, April 5th. They made my 3D smile and posted it to my account, my before and after, showing me what my treatment's results should be after going through their program. April 11th, they had that up and ready. April 16th, I placed my order. I did not do the payment plan. They do have a payment plan, but it costs more. It was paid straight out. I did an April discount. It's $100 off the April discount. So it came out to $1,750. April 25th, I received them, which is today. So it was very quick. It took them a week to get all of my aligners ready. But the email, of course, said 3 to 5 weeks or something like that it would take. Did not take long at all for me. I'm extremely hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go make me some food. I'm gonna take these out, and I'm so scared to take them out. So first time taking my aligners off to eat, difficult. and I didn't want to just pull them off and damage my tray. I did use the aligner remover, and I ended up going from the back and just popping it out. Y'all, I was so nervous, but they do feel tight still since I put them back on. But after I ate and put them back on, I brushed my teeth, floss, and put them back on. They went on like it was nothing. They snapped into place. So all right guys, good night. I survived the night, showing y'all exactly what these things look like. Look at that. It is a new day. It is a new day, but I don't think it has been a full 24 hours yet. So I just ate. I have brushed my teeth. Never have I ever brushed my teeth so much, because I'm always eating. Just realized I had a pimple. I did a dental cleaning like 2 days before my aligners got here. Hey guys, all right, it has officially been 24 hours. So I am super excited that the first 24 hours has been quite easy for me. So first things first, the trays are comfortable, but it's gonna take some getting used to. It feels like I have a mouthpiece in my mouth. My tongue is trying to get used to this because the plastic there, your tongue will like rub across that, and the first few hours you're gonna feel like it's annoying, but my tongue has gotten used to it. Also, it's gonna take some getting used to feeling this plastic rub up against your lip. My lisp is not as bad as I thought it would be. Although my tongue is like, doesn't really lay the way I normally would lay it without them in the trays in. They were comfortable sleeping. Like I said, not as painful as I thought they would be. I will check in with you guys each week. So, and I will have a whole playlist put together for Smile Direct. That's pretty much it. I cleaned my trays with mild soap and water. There's not too much more I can say, you guys. Like 24 hours with the trays in have been, from 1 to 10, the pain is at a 2. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. My favorite part. I just freaking love this stuff.